To link your bank account to the Crypto.com app, follow these steps. Open the Crypto.com app. Ensure you're logged into your verified account. Navigate to Fiat Wallet. Tap on the Accounts tab, then select Fiat Wallet. Initiate a deposit. Tap Transfer, then choose Deposit and select your preferred fiat currency. Choose Deposit Method. Select Instant Deposit for immediate transfers or Wire Transfer for traditional bank transfers. Add bank account. For instant deposit, you'll be prompted to link your bank account via Plaid, a secure third-party service. For wire transfer, you will receive Crypto.com's bank details to initiate a transfer from your bank. Follow on-screen instructions. Complete the linking process by following the prompts, which may include logging into your bank account and authorizing the connection. Matching information. Ensure the name on your bank account matches the name on your Crypto.com account to avoid verification issues. Deposit limits. Be aware of deposit limits, which may vary based on your account tier and verification status. Processing times. Instant deposits. Funds are typically available within minutes but may be subject to a holding period before withdrawal. Wire transfers may take 1 to 3 business days to process. Fees. While Crypto.com doesn't charge fees for certain deposit methods, your bank may impose fees for wire transfers.